Hi everyone, so I'm going to be doing a next example on how to set up a column of information. So instead of everything being within one row, we can set it up as each div being on its own row. So let's set this up here in the styles container here, and we'll say dot flex. So remember that CSS is represented with dot, and then we do flex dash container, because we have the class that's set up here, which is flex-container. And what we want to do now is display flex. So we always have to write this at the beginning so then it knows that we're using flexbox to stylize everything. And let's say we want to specify the direction. So flex direction, now we can say, you can see here once we do this, there's a bunch of different properties that we can use here. So let's just say we want column, and I'll say background color of red or dark red. There we go. And I'll say I want to also reference the divs inside as well. So flex dash container, and then the angle bracket or less than sign, and then a div. And then inside these curly brace brackets, we'll say background color. And we'll have a margin. And I'm going to save it like this. So what I want to do now is I have flex, which is defined on the main container, but we're saying this container now contains a bunch of information or divs inside, where the direction now of everything has to be a column. So everything's just going to pretty much be stacked on top of one another. So let me save this here. And I'm going to go to my folder here, example 2. I'll double click. And you can see right here that it's all stacked on top of each other, A, B, and C. And now we know that the column for Flexbox is working.